So how to work with HackerRank? So HackerRank, HackerRed, CodeChef are the place where programmers from all over the world come together to solve problems in a wide range of various domains, particularly computer science domains such as algorithms, machine learning, AI, and etc. So if it is for companies, you need to select this. If it is for developers, you need to select sign up and code. So you need to sign up, give your first name, last name, email, password, and create an account. So once you sign up, you get the things like this. Look at the right hand side. Are you here for preparing for job interviews, or are you here to learn and compete with others? Select learn and compete with others. The next step is, are you a student or a working professional? Select student, and you need to specify when you are going to be graduated. Specify when you are going to be graduated. If you are in first year or second year, based on that you select the year and click let's go. So this is the screen. You go through each and everything. Skills available for practice. If you are in the first year, you select C language. So you can see the thing on the left hand side. Now click solve challenge. You go through the objective. What is the task here? It requires you to print hello world on a single line and then print the already provided input string to stdout. And if you are not familiar with C, you may want to read about the printf command. So look at the example. S is equal to life is beautiful, and the required output is hello world, life is beautiful. So you have a function description. You complete the main function. We need a string and prints two strings, hello world and the input string. So look at the sample input, welcome to C programming, and sample output is hello world, welcome to C programming. You write some code in this box and run it. So you can see this, congratulations, you have passed the sample test cases. Click the submit button to run your code against all the test cases. Sample test case 0 is welcome to C programming, and you click submit code. So you can see this, congratulations, your test case 0, and the compiler message is success. Your input is welcome to C programming, and expected output is hello world, welcome to C programming. You can see that things download over there. So you can also download your problem statement, and you can also download your sample test cases from here. Now click on submissions. So look at this. So your hello world in C submission got 5 points, and you are now some 10 points away from your first star of your C batch. And you can try the next challenge, or you want to try a random challenge. So here we'll click next challenge. So this is your next challenge, playing with characters. What is the objective? This challenge will help you to learn how to take a character, a string and a sentence as input in C. So to take a single character ch, and you have to use scanf with %c and also printf with %c, So you need to declare a variable. If you want to read the data, use scanf for character, single character, and printf with %c. You can take a string as input in C using scanf with %s. So in order to take a line as input, you can use scanf with %. Look at that square brackets and \n %*c, s. So s is defined as a string with the maximum length. And look at that \n, the cap symbol with \n stands for taking input until a new line is not encountered. Then with this %*c, it reads a new line character, and here the used star indicates that this new line character is discarded. So we have a note regarding this. You go through that. So what is the task? You have to print the character ch in the first line, then print s in the next line. In the last line, print the sentence sen. So look at the input format. You need to take a character ch as input and take the string s as input and take the sentence sen as input. So what are the constraints here? The strings for s and sen will have fewer than 100 characters. So what is the output format? Print 3 lines of output. The first line prints the character ch, and the second line prints the string s, and the third line prints the sentence sen. So this is your sample input and your sample output. So look at the code clearly. Check out how many variables are declared. We have 3: ch, s, and sen. And ch is only for single character, so scanf with %c. And s is for a string, scanf with %s. And look at that scanf with \n, as we discussed earlier. Look at the note which is specified earlier to avoid a new line before the new string. So regarding sen, look at the scanf. Instead, you can simply use getS. GetS is to read a string from keyboard, and you run the code. So you can see the thing. Congratulations, you have passed the sample test cases, and click the submit button to run your code against all the test cases. So again, congratulations, you can go to next challenge. So you are now 5 points away from your first star for your C badge, and you can try the next challenge. Check out your submissions. So like this, you need to practice with HackerRank. You can select anyone, either HackerRank or HackerRate or CodeChef or anything, and you can work with it.